So I'm going to survey all the snow we got here. This is me walking down the stairs. Holy cow, look how, I mean, that's up to my neck. This is up to my waist right here, past my waist. Okay. Here. Holy cow, man. This, I don't even want to try and walk through this. Ugh. Yeah. And that's got to be about a 4-foot drift over there, 5 foot over there. Look at this. I mean, seriously. That snow. Knee deep right there. So if my neighbor moves out, I can get out. But look, holy cow. Well, I might have to do a little bit of dancing. I might get it out. But look, over here, this is insane. Sure can't go down this street. This guy ain't going nowhere. I mean, seriously. That's the snowdrift here. It's about 5 feet.